This is using an organic molasses, Blackstrap molasses. Very dark, very good high quality molasses from Trader Joe's. And a mixture, actually this is predominantly whole wheat flour. So to get the big cookie angel in the pan, we had to flip the sculpture into the pan by, she was on this cutting board, and we put the foil pan flat on it. We flipped her like a pancake and then peeled it off. That's the best way to transfer a large Christmas, hand-cut Christmas cookie in the pan without ripping her up, because that's what was happening with the spatulas that we would usually use with the traditional shapes. Wow, is she beautiful, huh? Check it out. Hand-cut gingerbread Christmas cookie. Wonderful.